Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Warzone 2 dev error 6068. First, make sure the game runs on DirectX 11. When you start the game, open the settings, go to the graphics section, and look for the option that lets you switch between DirectX 12 and DirectX 11. Choose DirectX 11. This version is usually more stable for Warzone and helps prevent dev error 6068 from happening. Next, update your graphics driver. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the GeForce Experience app, go to the Drivers tab, and click Check for Updates. If you have an AMD card, open AMD Adrenalin, click on Check for Updates, and install the latest driver. After the update finishes, restart your computer. Outdated drivers are one of the main causes of this error, so keeping them current is very important. Finally, install all available Windows updates. Open the Start menu, type Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. Let Windows search for and install any pending updates. When it finishes, restart your PC. System updates often include important patches that help games like Warzone run smoothly. After doing these 3 steps, your system will be more stable, and the Warzone 2 dev error 6068 should no longer appear. Thanks for watching.